What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Kellen, and we got another fresh episode for you today. We have found probably the coolest and definitely the coolest product and kind of the most out there product that we've ever seen. Back at CDO, we saw this product called Jaymar, and they partnered with D-Box, which is a 4D actuator, and it actually makes the seats roll with your movie. So now we have the product in the house, and we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing featuring these loungers where you can kind of kick back. It's kind of like a big bed and has the audiophile headrest on it, as well as the D-Box actuators. But what's really cool and what turned us on to Jaymar is the fact that we can do custom seating. They have every single variant, whether we want custom armrest, headrest, color, wood grains, leather finishes, massage and heat options. The reason that that's so important to us is we're really getting into high-end home cinema builds, and we want to deliver a aesthetically pleasing and immersive experience to our customers. So today we're going to be giving you a little insight and unboxing one of these products. So let's get into it.
Simple to put together. I mean, they come very similar to any other chair. As you can see, you just put the back on it. After you make the intricate connections with the Cat6 cables into your D-Box unit, if you're not getting D-Box enabled chairs, obviously the setup is going to be an eighth of that time. But I mean, it definitely is an experience and something that I know my kids are going to look forward to. So you have headrests here. If you do want to recline back, headrest button here, you can bring it back down, set the chair back up. Obviously all the common stuff. So you have a USB charger here on the cup holder, accessory holder here, you know, table. I did get a warning from Dwayne at Jaymar. You know, you definitely don't want to have a drink on the table or in the cup holder if you're watching Top Gun, because you may get a little sudsy, so to speak. So,
but you can fix that easy by just putting a little table to the side that's not connected to the chair.
He said it'll only take you one time to remember that your chairs do move when your movie starts up.
Through the app, you can just turn off the actuators completely. That's a really common question. Like, you know, what if I don't want it on? Or what if it's just too much? Well, you can dial down the intensity level in addition to just straight up turning it off so it acts as a normal chair.
Obviously, we're looking at loungers here. This is part of the 8000 series with Jaymar. I was able to pick out 3 or 4 different options for the armrest. I chose to go with this one. That way you could still see some lighter oak accents. But yeah, I did the kind of rolled armrest because I knew I wanted some cushion if you were setting 2 people wide in here. But, you know, different colors of leather. Obviously wanted black because it was in the theater. Endless options with Jaymar.
Yeah, I mean, it's really amazing. Thousands of templates. Every single element, the contour of the chair can be customized to your exact liking. But this is gonna be really ideal for all my audiophiles out there. The headrests are lower than our ears, and typically in home theater chairs, your headrest, you can't move it, right? Yeah. So it's blocking your high frequency audio from hitting your ear. You're gonna get the ultimate experience with chairs like this. And you don't have to go double wide. You don't even have to go lounger. I just wanted to make sure that's apparent, even though it seems like we've really talked about customization. It also goes for whether you wanna do love seat, you wanna do sectional style, you wanna do individual bucket seats. You can do XL. If you're a really large guy, you're 7-foot tall dude, you can put an extra large seat in, and it's all customized. We've been very impressed with Jaymar.
I mean, I think the loungers were very unique looking to what, you know, building off what you were saying, and that's kind of what I wanted, something a little different than just your traditional chair. So I have fallen asleep in these things a couple times just watching some late night basketball games or whatever. They're super comfortable.
Super comfy. All right, guys, well, that does conclude our quick unboxing and kind kind of overview video, initial thoughts, finally getting it into the Dreamedia home theater. You can actually come and experience this for yourself. We even have a hi-fi 2-channel room set up, as well as a concession area. You can find some inspiration here. But we can also, with our Dreamedia Plus, we have a new VIP club. We can bring your vision to life with 3D renderings and 3D animation fly-throughs, doing everything from seating charts, screen size, acoustic, sound isolation, to your exact liking, and then we'll bring it to life. So reach out today if you're interested in that service or purchasing anything else home theater or audio video related. We have nationwide free shipping through our website, as well as that free consultation service. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision. If you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys.